Come on, everyone. Let's go and see.
Mr. Bull has arrived with a big crane.
Wow! Crane!
Hello, Mr. Bull.
Hello, Daddy Pig. Everything is ready. The new rooms have been built and we can put them all together exactly like your plans.
About that, I've made a few minor tweaks.
Tweaks!
Right, you are. I'll take a look at it.
Now, Peppa, George, I'm afraid you need to go back to Build HQ while the big machines are working.
Come on, George. We have to go. What? No!
Don't worry. I promise I will take a video for you.
No! Crane!
I know. Let's do some crafts in the caravan.
Yay!
Come on, then. Let's go.
No!
Yes, let's go, George.
Daddy Pig, are you sure this is what you want?
Yes. It's all the same parts. Just a few bits moved here and there.
It's certainly a unique design. OK, team, let's get to work.
Crane!
I'm sorry, George, but you need the right safety gear, like mine. Except yours would be blue because you're visitors.
Blue. George, I have an idea.
They'll be okay. Oh, shouldn't you be on site supervising?
Oh, gosh, yes.
Careful now.
OK, who's ready to get crafting?
Oh, me! Ta-da! Now we can go watch the machines. Yeah!
Oh, Daddy Pig.
You might want to come and see this.
Yes, we're ready to help.
Oh, yes.
Robot house!
Oh, it's not quite what we had in mind.
I must have given Mr. Bull the wrong design. But now I have no idea where the right one is.
I know, Daddy. We're wearing it.
Oh!
We got there in the end.
OK, everybody. Let's get to work.